Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show ideas and designing about crochet and knitting gloves. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet and knitting gloves in this my video. They look very gorgeous and pretty. You can wear these crochet and knitting gloves in winter season as a fashion because they are not only a stylish, they are very warm and beautiful. You can make in different styles such as in mitten styles and also in different colors and different stylish designs. They look very gorgeous and you can feel very comfortable, and you can also buy it from market. Many styles and many varieties are easily available in market. As you know, crochet knitting gloves is a garment covering that hold hands. Crochet knitting gloves usually have separate shirts or openings for each fingers and the thumbs, and mittens are usually make and as a fashion. As you know, crochet knitting gloves protect the comfort hands against cold and heat damage or frictions observations, and turn to provide guard for what a bare hand and should not to the touch. And you can make in different colors such as in gray, green, black, brown, and you can also make in multicolors. They look very gorgeous, and you can use different sizes of buttons, different sizes of lashes and different styles of crochet knitting techniques to decorate and enhance the beauty of your crochet and knitting mittens and gloves. And you can wear these crochet knitting gloves with your full sleeves, high necks, with your coats, and many other different styles of cloth accessories. It depend on your choice. You can make in flower designs, fish designs, and also length. It's your long length, and also in short length designs. They look very gorgeous and pretty. And if you want to make these crochet knitting gloves in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. And if you want many more ideas and designing about crochet and knitting gloves, please see my videos on my YouTube channel regularly. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care. May God bless you. I pray Allah for your health and wealth. Remembers me in your prayers. Thank you for supporting us, and goodbye.